Are you active on any Reddit construction management or construction groups? One of the common themes we see among many users is complaints regarding high levels of stress and burnout. Across the industry, more professionals are asking the same question. Can I keep doing this for another 10 or 20 years? Hi, I'm Taylor Maurer, founder and senior managing partner here at Heavy Civil Resource Consultants, a boutique recruitment firm for the heavy civil construction sector. I try to understand the construction industry through various groups and organizations. One that I continuously pay attention to is Reddit subthreads regarding construction and construction management. I spend time reading the discussions from construction managers across the industry. One thing became very clear: burnout is a common conversation amongst experienced project managers, superintendents, and construction leaders, and they're becoming more comfortable talking about it on anonymous forums like Reddit. Many of these professionals talked about the same challenges: long hours, constant pressure, always putting out fires, managing unrealistic schedules, and feeling responsible for solving every problem that comes their way. What really stood out to me was that very few people were complaining about their salary. Instead, they're asking a much bigger question: is this career sustainable? Some shared stories of years of accumulated stress affecting their health. Others admitted that they were seriously considering leaving the construction management industry altogether, not because they stopped enjoying building things, but because they wanted more time with their families, better work life balance, and a career that they could maintain for the long term. Interestingly, not every response blamed the industry. One construction manager shared that they realized many of their long workdays were self imposed. They believed that they had to work 10 to 12 hours every day to be successful. Once they started setting boundaries, prioritizing their workload, and accepting that some deadlines needed to shift, they found that they could still do a great job without constantly running themselves into the ground. I think that's an important reminder. Burnout isn't caused just by one thing. It's usually the result of several factors coming together: heavy workloads, staffing challenges, constant pressure, and unrealistic expectations, and sometimes our own inability to step away from the job. As leaders, we have to create an opportunity to change that, creating realistic expectations, developing stronger leaders, providing adequate support, and encouraging healthy work habits can go a long way toward retaining experienced professionals. The construction industry will always be demanding. That's never going to change. But if we want to keep great people in this industry, we need to build workplaces where they can have successful careers without sacrificing their health, their families, or their future. What are you seeing in your own organization? Are conversations about burnout becoming more common? And what are you doing to address them? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you worried about your employees burning out? We've created a workforce engagement survey that can assess what your employees, both in the field and in the office, are feeling and thinking, and can provide you with real-time analytics and suggestions for what may need to be addressed to help you reduce attrition and maintain a strong core team in your company. Click below for more information. Thanks.